Player Physicswala aims to open 75 new physical tech-enabled learning centers across India, and he also sees a huge growth runway for the company. My colleague Anurag Shah caught up with the co-founder Prateek Maheshwari to understand what the future plans of the company are. Let's listen in.
As we told in our earning calls as well, so we are opening 75 new physical learning centers, digital learning centers. Apart from this, we are going deeper in existing exam categories because if you see, India has 25 crore students, but we are teaching not even 2% of this learner base as a paid student. So we are barely scratching the surface and a way to go ahead from here.
Okay. So how you are balancing technology with the growth because with the expansion you will have to fund the centers also.
So what we have created is tech-enabled offline learning centers, which is very unique business model. These are phygital learning centers, and technology is center of everything what we do. Still, 93% of the learner base we are teaching in online mode of learning. And online mode of learning is a very powerful mode of learning where you can impart world-class education at a fraction of cost. For example, our average course fee is 4,000 rupees for entire year. It is less than a 10 rupee per day. It's less than a cup of a chai in India. So that allows us to go to deeper in the market and we can organize the entire unorganized market of education in India.
And my final question, Prateek, for the year 2026, because we will be entering into year 2026, what kind of revenue targets you have in your mind for the company?
So we have shown very strong growth in terms of last year to this year, both bottom line improvement and top line improvement. And we continue to grow more than 20% in terms of revenue for next years.
All right, but with this, Piers, it's once again time to slip into a very short break to